The numbers tell a story. Michigan credit unions have been here for Michiganders. Beyond the numbers, it's about people helping people, the spirit of the credit union movement. That's why Michigan credit unions have helped their members get access to $4.3 billion. Money that went right into house payments, auto loans, and groceries, directly to the people that needed it most. Some of this went to Main Street, to Michigan small businesses to help pay rent, utilities, and paychecks, sustaining those businesses as customers stayed home to stay safe. Many of those businesses were new to the credit union movement, turned away by their bank or given the runaround when time was of the essence. Michigan credit unions were able to put money into hands faster and with less hassle. That was important for those businesses that were hardest hit, the small mom and pop stores, your neighbors, you. It wasn't just businesses. Homeowners received help too. 76% of credit unions offered mortgage assistance. Relief in the form of loan modifications, payment deferments, and foreclosure moratoriums. As community institutions, credit unions can adapt to what the neighborhood needs. $800 million in auto and other consumer loans were also modified to provide financial relief to those in need. An additional 9,500 loans for nearly $22.5 million helped cover other needs. Most of these had a 0% rate and automatically deferred payments, giving members the support they need. Financial hardships also led to $1 billion in payment deferments, because Michigan credit unions didn't want to add to income-related financial hardships. Every Michigan credit union offered some form of loan modification, from skip-a-pay to interest-only payments to even 0% interest loans. Members come first, a philosophy that is paramount right now, that we work together for the well-being of the community. Those payment deferments save $9.5 million in fees, late payments, skip-a-pay, insufficient funds, and overdraft fees. Providing members with financial safety and security. Beyond the typical routes, credit unions also came through by directly supporting the community. With support for frontline workers and stepping up in their community service. Michigan credit unions donated over $2 million to local organizations and helped source gloves and masks for healthcare workers. The credit union movement is more than a place to cover your banking needs. It's the community coming together to support one another. MCUL is proud of how fast and agile Michigan credit unions have been in responding to the crisis. We look forward to continuing our support of Michigan families and businesses.